Child trafficking, a horrible crime which has plagued our entire planet. I watched Delhi Crime Season 3 over the weekend, and I looked at the practicalities that we can handle to stop this horrendous crime. Children are passed from state to state, border to border, border to border, country to country in trucks. So what can we do about it? Honourable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi Ji, please set up a special task force with the best engineers from IITs across India to create truck containers which have visible material intersected in between. It could be fiber, it could be glass which is toughened and unbreakable so that we can see through what is in the truck. And this technology could be used for the shipping containers as well. Together, we can stop this crime with practical measures. So let's do it together. Hype up this video, share it with every human being that you know if you want to create a world where no child is ever used for sex trade in any corner of the world. As a psychiatrist, it's my moral and ethical duty to do this video. Rest lies in all of our hands.